Hello, my name is Sara, I'm 16 years old. I was born in Split but raised in Solin, and I finished the second grade in an economic and administrative high school. I'm a proud owner of a golden retriever named Bongo, and I have one very annoying younger brother. I enjoy watching TV, but also running and reading. And the fun fact about me is that I actually like going to school. I chose to make a video about Mediterranean monk seal because I love animals, and I wanted to draw attention to these majestic creatures that are now unfortunately endangered species. Also, they are something that connects Croatia and Portugal. Despite inhabiting the entire Adriatic Sea up until 100 years ago, today the Mediterranean monk seal is one of the most endangered mammals in the world, and a species on the brink of extinction, because of which they were protected by the 1935 Dalmatian Decree, the first of its kind in the world. These majestic animals used to live in groups, while in recent times mostly lonely individuals are spotted. As of 2015, it is estimated that fewer than 700 individuals survive in isolated subpopulations in the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Turkey and Cyprus, and in the Atlantic Ocean in Cabo Blanco, Peru, and Madria, Portugal. The 8th Mediterranean Games were held in Split in 1979, and the game's mascot was Mediterranean monk seal, in Croatia commonly known as Adriana.